Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Just kidding. Welcome to my Pittsburgh apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and today I'm going to be taking you through all of my decor, all of my furniture, how I styled everything. I thought this day would never come because it always feels like my apartment is just never finished. But I realized that, you have to get to a point where you can just do the tour and show the thing and everything like that. So I'm sure for the rest of the duration of our lease living here, I'm sure we'll be adding things and changing things up. But I thought it was a nice and sunny day, so great day for filming, and we have all of our Easter and spring decor up, so I really wanted to put that out there and show our apartment how it's decorated for spring. So I'll try to link everything that I can down below. I would say most of my items are either Wayfair, Home Goods, Marshalls, or Amazon or Target, so it's all pretty affordable. I do have a few higher end things from Pottery Barn, but let's walk through this apartment. So this is our long hallway. Unfortunately, I've never decorated out here. I feel like I definitely have room for a console table or some artwork or something, but it's still a work in progress. Over here we have these 2 shadow boxes with flowers. These were a gift for our wedding. We have them hung up over here. This is kind of my landing space for like my work bag and my purses. Over here we have this beautiful Vincent van Gogh inspired artwork. I found this at Marshall's. I loved the frame. It's giving very like Nancy Meyers. We have this lamp from Home Goods, a few Easter eggs out that I painted, this digital frame that was a gift for Nick's graduation. I have this little chest from Wayfair with extra shoes in it, and then a little basket over here from Home Goods. This tree is from At Home. Looking back on it now, I would probably have gotten a bigger like buffet or storage situation, and I probably wouldn't have gotten a white one, but when I first moved in here, I was kind of overwhelmed with picking out my design style. Next, we have our chairs. These are from Wayfair. They were a really great purchase. They've held up so nicely. And then I have a picture of lemons here. I've had a couple different pictures here in the wall as I've lived here, but right now we're rocking the lemons. We have a candle burning, and then this vase and faux flower arrangement is all from Target this season. So this is kind of how everything looks further away. Over here I keep seasonal decor, but I think I'll be keeping up this floral framed photo from our wedding year round because I really like it. Both of these are Marshall's finds. We have our ALEXA. This bottle of champagne was a gift for our wedding, and so was this Just Married cookbook. The little stand is from Target. This bowl, I fill it up with seasonal decor. So for Valentine's Day we had hearts, for Christmas we had ornaments. Now we have these sparkly Easter eggs from Michael's. And then I love to put fresh flowers here. Over here is my Nespresso, our toaster, and of course we always have our seasonal towels. I love this little bunny and the fun green and pink striped look. They're both from Target. Happy Easter. We typically don't have anything up here, but since it's Easter, we do have that up. And over here is Nick's coffee area. I am probably most proud of this area over here. We did this gallery wall with our wedding photos, and I love how this turned out. We have some fun ones, some classic ones. This one in the middle is like one of my favorite wedding photos. And then down here we have this black mid-century modern buffet from Wayfair. I loved the arch detail on it. Over here I have these 3 vintage books from Home Goods. This gold tray is from Amazon. I actually used it on our wedding day for the detail shots. These candles are from Target. In the middle here I have a picture of my wedding dress framed. These vases were another wedding gift, and then we have a Chanel coffee table book. And then in this little basket here we have our blankets. Over here, this lamp is from Target. I kind of wish I got a more statement lamp instead of this one. I think it's a little boring. We have our space heater and our little end table. This clock was like one of the first things I bought whenever I moved in. It's from Target. These coasters are so cute. I got them in Charleston at the little market there. I love them. I have 2 more in the bedroom. The couch is Article. It's very comfortable, but unfortunately, I mean, it is an off-white color, but I feel like it really shows stains, which kind of sucks. Both these pillows are from Target. I feel like the one in the front looks really high-end. Over here, we have the Mr. and Mrs. collage. I actually found this at Burlington and got it for like 10 bucks. It was such a great steal. And we have the classic millennial Prada picture on the wall. This rug is old. It's actually from Nick's old apartment, and we're definitely not taking it whenever we do move. Here is the coffee table. We change up the coffee table decor seasonally. I absolutely love these coasters. My aunt bought them for us. They are, oh my goodness, the lighting. There we go. So these are really cute Parisian coasters that my aunt bought us at Epcot. I think they're so adorable. We have some candles, some more fresh flowers, this little Easter bunny from Target, and then both of these, the coffee table book and the roses, are from Target. I love changing up my tablescape from season to season. It really keeps things fun and fresh. And then the acrylic coffee table is Wayfair. Over here we have this cute sign that says Caitlin and Nick and our wedding date. My friend Katie got us this as a wedding gift. This photo of the Eiffel Tower was a gift for my bridal shower. This tree over here, it lights up. My grandma passed away when we moved in here, and someone gave her this tree at the funeral, so now I have it. And here's our TV. We definitely want to upgrade our TV sometime soon. Some more Easter decor. This plant is from Target, and then this buffet is from Wayfair, and the picture is from Desenio, and then these 2 little lanterns are Nordstrom Rack. This looks like a closet, but it's actually where our washer and dryer is housed. Over here, we have this photo from our engagement on the wall. And then we have this little map picture where we met, where we said I do, where we said yes. Full-length Target mirror. This is, I'm really unashamed to say, this is our office slash where my clothes are, and yeah, it's pretty crazy. There's a lot here. This is how we do it, you guys. This is how we do it. How we store all of our stuff. And this is our bedroom. I'm really proud of how our bedroom turned out. I love the neutral, organic, modern feel. These above the bed are from Amazon. My pillows are a combination of Macy's and Home Goods. The bed is Pottery Barn Cayman, and it's the best bed ever. I absolutely love it. Definitely worth the splurge. Our comforter is the Hotel Collection from Macy's. It's also extremely comfortable. I have this little chest at the foot of the bed from Container Store. This rug is Macy's. And then over here on our nightstand, we have a picture of when we got engaged. Again, these little coasters are from Charleston, and they're so cute with the Taylor Swift album. I'm obsessed with this little candle warmer here. You definitely need one if you don't have one. And this nightstand came in from Pottery Barn. I wouldn't recommend it. I feel like the wood really shows every nick and scratch. So whenever we move, we're definitely getting like new bedroom furniture. We also have this area over here, which I really like. Again, this dresser came in by Pottery Barn. All of my jewelry is over here on this rack from Amazon. This photo is from Marshall's. I have my perfume, and this vase is Crate and Barrel, and the mirror is Pottery Barn. These baskets hold like extra clothes, extra sheets, and they're both from Home Goods. On the wall here, we have pictures from our engagement. And then my bathroom is pretty basic. I wish I had bought a fun shower curtain. I installed these little shelves from Amazon, which made all the difference, gave me so much more storage That little spinny thing was actually gifted to me from a brand, and then this white thing is from Marshall's for my makeup. That was my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you're new to my channel, my name's Caitlin. I'm 29. I live in Pittsburgh, and I've been living here for a little over 2 years. I love to make travel vlogs. I work in the financial services industry, and I also sometimes vlog my experiences working like a realistic 8 to 5. So if you guys are interested in any of that kind of content, be sure to check it out. I got married last year, and I also have a ton of wedding tips and tricks here on my channel. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.